chapter 27, The Nature of Forces recap. Okay, so Ramon almost lost his arm, and Celeste found out who the evil witch of the wood is, and she is not happy. And, you know, Heidi and Liliana and Kahai are almost to Alexandria, and we are reaching the end of a story. So make sure to check out my channel over on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, or you can pick up a copy yourself. I will link it down in my YouTube video subscription. It's called The Nature of Forces by Genevieve Gravelle. It is available on Amazon now. Okay, thanks, love you, bye.